You're welcome to class. Today we are going to be seeing how to add and subtract two matrices and how to multiply a matrix by a scalar. First of all, let's see the definition of a matrix. A matrix or matrices, which is plural, is a set of numbers arranged in rectangular pattern or array. So we are going to see an example of a matrix now. So we have the first element there, 1, 7, 0 and minus 3. Now 1 and 7 are the numbers in row 1. 0 and 3 are the numbers in row 2. Now 0 and 1 are the numbers in column 1. Minus 3 and 7 are the numbers in column 2. So know how the column and the rows are arranged. Okay, so the matrix above has 2 rows and 2 columns. So if we want to give the order of the matrix, we will say 2 by 2. So the matrix above is a 2 by 2 matrix. It is a square matrix because the number of row and the number of column are the same. That's why it is called squared matrix. So let's have another example of a matrix, 1, 2 and 0. That right here is called a row matrix because we have just one row. Why this one right here is a column matrix. Okay, so it's a 3 by 1 column matrix, so we just have one column. So we're asked to note when we are writing the order of a matrix, the number of row comes before the number of column. Okay, so now let's go ahead to see how we can add two matrices together. Matrices can only be added if they are of the same order. So we want to add these two matrices together, A plus B, then we'll do B plus A. We want to show that they are equal. So A plus B, we'll write matrix A first, followed by matrix B. So we are going to add terms by term. So the first number in the first matrix plus the first number in the second matrix. So that is the way we add. So 2 plus minus 0, 3 plus 4, and 0 plus 5. Okay, so let's just simplify further. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 plus 4 is 7, 0 plus 5 is 5. Now let's go the other way around by writing matrix B first before we add A to it. So the same way we did with the first one. So 2 plus 1, so we have 2 plus 1, minus 1 plus 2, 4 plus 3, and 5 plus 1. So when we add up again, so we have 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 0 is 5. So we see that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see how to subtract a matrix from another. So we're asked to evaluate that question right there. So just the way we did the addition, the same way we are going to do the subtraction here. So we are going to subtract the first number from the second matrix from the first number from the first one, that way. So we have 3 minus 2, minus 1 minus 3, 3 minus 1. So that is the way we go ahead with the subtraction. So we have 1 minus 0, so we have 4 minus 3, 2 minus 1, minus 1 plus 2, because minus times minus is plus. So let's do the subtraction now. 3 minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, 3 minus 1, 2, that way. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we subtract each of those numbers and we have the result right there. So note, A minus B is not equal to B minus A, but A minus B is equals to minus, open bracket, B minus A. Now let's go ahead to see how to evaluate scalar multiplication with a matrix. So we have a matrix there, M. We are asked to find 7M. So first thing, let's write 7M. Now the 7 there is called scalar. So to multiply a scalar by a matrix, the scalar is going to multiply every number in the matrix. So let's first write the numbers 2, 1, minus 4, and 5. So 7 is going to multiply every one of them, one after the other. So we have 7 times 2, 7 times 1, 7 times minus 4, 7 times 5. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1, you also know that 7. 7 times minus 4, minus 28, and 7 times 5 is 35. So with those examples that we have looked at, you have to solve these assessment questions. Thank you.